Where does vitamin B12 come from if not plants or animals? Imagine a tiny microorganism working behind the scenes to keep us healthy. That's right, vitamin B12 is actually made by bacteria and archaea, not by plants or animals. These microorganisms live in soil, water, and inside the guts of animals. They produce vitamin B12 through a complex biochemical process that involves multiple steps. Animals get their B12 by eating bacteria or foods that contain bacteria, like soil or water, or by consuming other animals that have accumulated it. Humans mostly get B12 from eating animal products such as meat, eggs, and dairy, because these foods contain B12 that animals have stored from their diets or bacteria in their guts. Plants, on the other hand, do not naturally contain vitamin B12 because they do not host these bacteria or produce the vitamin themselves. However, some plant-based foods can have B12 if they are fortified with it during processing. For example, fortified cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional yeast often have added B12. Certain edible seaweeds like dried purple laver, also called nori, can contain some bioavailable B12, but it's usually due to bacterial contamination or fermentation processes. Vegetarians who eat dairy and eggs can naturally get B12 from these foods because they contain B12 accumulated from the animals' diets and bacteria in their guts. For strict vegetarians or vegans who avoid all animal products, relying on fortified foods and supplements becomes essential to meet their B12 needs. This is because without these sources, they might not get enough B12, which is vital for making red blood cells, supporting nerve health, and helping DNA stay healthy. In summary, B12 is made by bacteria, not plants or animals directly. Animals get it from bacteria, and humans mainly get it from eating animal products. Some fortified plant foods and certain seaweeds can also provide B12. Vegetarians can get B12 from dairy, eggs, and fortified foods, but vegans need to focus on fortified foods or supplements. Knowing this helps vegetarians plan their diet so they stay healthy and avoid B12 deficiency symptoms like fatigue, nerve problems, or anemia.